sensitive teeth, but you love white teeth, I have the best whitening system, and it's on sale today, and it's only for 2 days. So if you want this system, you'll have to comment white, and I'll send you the link to this system. So Banana White is a company that I have been with for a little while. I purchased my first kit, and I was so amazed at how my teeth didn't hurt when I would whiten them. I'd been using crest strips and all the, well, whatever. I had several different kinds of strips, and my teeth would ache. They would ache so much that I actually would have to take ibuprofen because they would hurt so much. So I want to share this kit with you. I've used it for probably 2 years now. They're a really great company. Very kind. They, when you reach out to them, they always get back to you. And I'm going to show you what the system is all about. So this is for 2 days only. It is a Banana White Compact Pro. Okay. This is how it comes. And I will show you all the things in here. It has a charging system. You can travel with it. This is a great thing to give. I feel like anyone, your kids, they like to have white teeth. Your mom, your dad, any siblings. This is a great for $79.99, or no, $79. This is a great gift. I've given several of them away, and everyone's like, oh my gosh, that is amazing. So let me show you what this comes with. Okay, so in this, I never used this when I first got it, and I wish I would have. This is kind of like, where are my teeth at? And you can assess where am I at? So my teeth, as you can see, like I'm talking like this, they're pretty white. I use the system weekly, maybe every other week, whenever I just really notice that my teeth aren't looking so great, because I love coffee ever so much. But I use this system continually. I'll show you what's in it, and then I'm going to tell you maybe how often you can use it, because you're going to be surprised at how often you can use it. Okay, so what it comes with is, first, this is the Compact Pro. This is all in one here, and it has a charger. Let me see if I can get this out. Here's your cord. Here's your thing that it charges in. It sanitizes at the same time. And then here is your whitening gel. Okay. The amazing part about this is I gave this to a friend. And this friend said to me, I like it. I've used it once. I'm too scared to use it again. I didn't explain. This is so amazing for sensitive teeth. My teeth never hurt. They never ache. All this does is makes my teeth whiter. And I feel like it makes them healthier. So it's the product here, what's in this, it's helps my teeth not only whiten, but I truly think the red and blue light therapy mixed with this product has made my gums healthier. So what you will do is find the correct end. Okay, so here is the charging sanitizing station. And then it has 2 different lights, okay? There's going to be, when you first click it, there's going to be a blue light. This is going to whiten your teeth. You're going to stick this whole piece in your mouth. Hang on. You're going to stick this whole piece in. Well, okay. Hang tight. This is the whitening piece. You're going to take this gel and you're going to paint it on your teeth. Right here. I go from about here, over. I get it on really good. Okay. You're going to put that on your teeth, and then you're going to take the whitening piece and you're going to click it, and it's going to be blue. You're going to have it in your mouth, and this is going to brighten and whiten your teeth. It lasts for, I think, 15 minutes. So that lasts for about 15 minutes. So go do your things, put your makeup on, do your hair, whatever you want to do. And then when it shuts off after the blue, when you tap it, you'll tap it twice. It'll be blue-red. You can see kind of the reflection on my hand. Then it's blue-red for 10 minutes. When it's done, the whitening is finished. It is so amazing. And I have this in purple, and this is just like a limited edition in blue for this winter time, which I think is they're just so fun. They're just so fun. And then when you're done with whitening and all the things, take this this is what I do. I take it under warm water and I really rinse this part off really, really well. And then I let it set, kind of dry it off. I stick it in here, and then if you want to charge it, right there, and then this little light will come on in here, and it's going to sanitize it and charge it all at the same time. And that's, I get several uses before I have to charge it, but do it however you want. So when I first got mine, I didn't read the directions. It's just who I am. I didn't read the directions, and I just did it like once a week or once every couple weeks. When you first get this, you can use it several days in a row, and in my experience, and because of the way it's designed, it doesn't hurt your teeth. It just whitens them, and then it'll get you to where you want to be. It will also whiten. I had people ask me, I've reached out to Banana White, and I read on their website. It brightens veneers or any kind of, whatever on your teeth that you have, I'm going to say veneer, but I know there's other things that you have. It'll whiten it back to where it originally was. So it can't take it past its original color, but it will lighten and brighten it, which I think is amazing. So this is on sale December 15th and 16th, which is, hi, Mary. She doesn't have teeth. She's like, how does that work? It could sanitize your gums, maybe. This is only on sale for December 15th and 16th. It's $79 down from $199. If you comment white, you will get a link from me, and it will tell you, it'll give you the link, but you have to use my code Sonia Joe to get the extra off, okay? To get it. So you can actually purchase anything. I have another friend, all she needed was the whitening gel, and she's like, oh my gosh, your code worked for my whitening gel too. So you can go in and get whatever you want. I have another friend, she uses their whitening toothpaste, and so the code Sonia Joe will work on that, and you'll get half off. So don't think, oh shoot, that's fine. If you already have this, that's great. Get some refills, get some toothpaste. They also have an electric toothbrush. They have all kinds of things in there. I've only had the whitening toothpaste, and then this system, I don't have their toothbrush, but I've heard it's pretty good. Okay, that's it. So this goes again from December 15th to 16th, and it's $79 down from $199, but you have to use my code Sonia Joe. Okay, I need to go. I have a pile of stuff, boxes in front of my door. It's a mess down there for Christmas, which I'm excited about, but it really needs organized. So I hope you are having a good time leading up to this Christmas time, and that when you celebrate, that you get to be with family, even if it's not on the day of, the before, whatever, that you're having a blessed time with everyone, whoever you get to spend it with. And I appreciate you so much. I appreciate that you're here. Thank you, Mary. You have a blessed afternoon too. Okay, guys, we'll see ya. Bye.